Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel. There won't be a new watch unboxing today. Instead, we'll be comparing Casio's iconic retro digital watch, the A168, with Skmei's equivalent, the 1123 model. Both watches offer similar functions, features, and sizes. The Casio is priced at $21, while the Skmei is available for just a fraction of that at $8. Let's start with the Casio A168WA, a popular model that has attracted quite a following. The case is made of resin with ion plating, giving it the appearance of solid stainless steel. However, the only stainless steel components are the case back and bracelet. Let's first discuss the case and display. The case size is approximately 36.3 millimeters. Lug-to-lug distance is about 38.6 millimeters. Thickness is around 9.6 millimeters. Lug width is about 18 millimeters. Weight is approximately 50 grams. On the right side of the case, there's a single button to control start and stop. On the left side, there are two similar buttons for controlling light and mode. The top of the case features a prominent Casio logo with an alarm chrono imprint on the right. Below that, there's an electroluminescence imprint on a blue background. At the bottom of the case, you'll find the illuminator and water WR resist imprints. The top right of the display panel shows the date, day, and indicators for the alarm and 12/24-hour format selection. Below that, larger digits display the hour, minute, and second. The case back features the Casio logo, module and model numbers, and other details. The bracelet is a standard Casio stainless steel type, typical of its retro models, simple, well-made, and robust. The clasp is marked with the Casio logo, and the bracelet has folded links instead of solid ones to keep the price and weight down. The watch face is particularly unique, featuring a combination of colors such as blue, red, white, and gold. Now, let's move on to the Skmei 1123. Its design closely resembles the A168, often referred to as a copy or homage. Let's check the dimensions of the Skmei. Case size is about 33 millimeters. Lug-to-lug distance is approximately 36 millimeters. Thickness is around 9 millimeters. Lug width is 18 millimeters. The case is made of zinc alloy with ion plating, which explains its heavier weight of about 57 grams. Similar to the A168, the right side of the case features a single button to control alarm on, off, and 12/24-hour formats. On the left, there are two similar buttons for controlling light and mode. The top of the case displays a broad Skmei logo, followed by alarm chronograph, imprinted in gold on the right. At the bottom of the case, you'll find the Water 30M Resist imprint, with 30M highlighted in red. The top of the display panel shows the date, day, and indicators for alarms and 12/24-hour selections, similar to the A168. Below that, large digits display the hour, minute, and second. The caseback is stainless steel and features imprints of the model number, Skmei logo, water resistance level, and other details. The bracelet is stainless steel, constructed similarly to the A168's, though it is slightly thicker and broader. The main difference from the A168 is the absence of the Skmei logo on the clasp. The links are folded with clever craftsmanship to keep them discreet. While the A168's crystal is resin, the Skmei 1123 claims to have a glass crystal. The display of the Skmei 1123 is distinguished by its bluish details. As you can see, the A168 is thicker, with the Skmei positioned on top in this comparison. The bracelet links on the Skmei are larger and broader than those on the A168. And the EL backlight on both watches is blue and appears to be similar in clarity. I would say the EL backlight on the Skmei is slightly better. However, the chime or sound on the Casio is much more audible than the Skmei's. The Skmei boasts several features, including time display, alarm, date, chronograph, day, week, EL backlight, and 12/24-hour formats. Meanwhile, the A168 offers similar features, including a stopwatch, alarm with hourly time signal, blue-green EL backlight, auto calendar, and 12/24-hour format. Let's summarize the pros and cons of each watch. Skmei 1123. Pros: zinc alloy ion-plated case, hard glass crystal, better EL backlight, affordable price. Cons: reliability and quality not guaranteed, poor sound quality compared to the A168. Casio A168. Pros: superior build quality due to Casio's long tradition of making quality watches, better sound quality. Cons: more expensive than the Skmei 1123. EL backlight is not as good as the Skmei 1123's. On the wrist, both watches make a strong impression, even on my relatively small 6.5-inch wrist. That's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on our next one. Bye for now.